Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about operators in Java. Operators are special symbols that help us perform different operations on data and variables. By the end of this video, you will understand what operators are, why they are important, and the different types of operators available in Java. So, what is an operator? An operator is a special symbol that performs an operation on one or more operands. So, for example, int sum equals to 10 plus 20. So, plus is the operator and A and B are operands. So let's see in IntelliJ. Operator so for example, int sum equals to 10 plus 20. So here plus is an operator and 10 and 20 is an operand. So an operator is a special symbol that tells Java to perform a specific task. In this example, the plus symbol adds two numbers together. The values on which the operation is performed are called operands. While plus is the operator. So let's run this program and see the output. So here we can see output is 30. So why do we need operators? Operators are used everywhere in the programming. They help us perform mathematical calculations, compare values, make decisions using conditions, assign values to variables, and combine multiple conditions together. So, without operators, writing programs would be extremely difficult. So, operators help us perform calculations, compare values, make decisions, assign values, and combine conditions. So, types of operators in Java. So we have different types of operator. Among those operators, first one is arithmetic operators. So Java provides several types of operators. Arithmetic operators are used for calculations. Assignment operators assign values to variables. So let's see arithmetic operators. So addition adds number, subtraction finds the difference, multiplication multiplies values, and division divides value, and modulus gives the remainder after division. So let's have a quick examples of arithmetic operators. So int add equals to 5 plus 5, int subtract equal to 10 minus 3. I am taking just random values. Int multiply equals to 2 into 3. Int divide equals to 4 divided by 2. Int modulus equals to 5 mod 2. So what output we expect from this mathematical calculations? So in add we should get 10, 5 plus 5. For subtraction we should get 10 minus 3, 7, and for multiply we should get 6. For divide we should get 2, and modulus. So modulus gives the remainder. So we are dividing 5 by 2. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So we'll get output 1. Let's verify by running the program. Add, subtract, next is multiply, divide, and last is modulus. Let's run the program. So here we can see the output is same as we calculated. So modulus 5 mod 2. So we'll divide 5 by 2 and remainder will get 1. So that is modulus. And remaining I think we all know. We have seen. Okay, let's move on to next operator, that is assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The equal sign assigns a value, while compound assignment operators combine assignment with arithmetic operations, making the code shorter and cleaner. So let's see an example of basic assignment operators. I will comment this out. So we are seeing assignment operators. Okay. So we'll take simple variable int var equals to 5. So this one is example of simple assignment. The value 5 is getting assigned into variable name var. So next is, suppose we want to add in the current variable to 5. So what we will do, var equals to var plus, let's say 3. So we want to add 3 in the current value of var. So we will write like this. So what will be the output of this one? 8. 5 plus 3. So current value is 5 plus 3, 8. If we print, means we will get 8 as output. Let's run and see. So here in output we can see 8. So there is a shortcut to write assignment operator. So instead of writing var equals to var plus 3, we can write var plus equals to 3. I will comment this out. So instead of var equals to var plus 3, we have written var plus equals to 3. So we should get same output. Let's verify. So here we can see the output is 8. So compound assignment operators combine assignment with arithmetic operations. In this case we are looking for addition. So it makes the code shorter and cleaner. Likewise, we can do for subtraction, multiplication and other arithmetic operations. So this was assignment operators. Next is relational operators. We call it as comparison operators also. Relational operators compare two values and return either true or false. These operators are commonly used in conditional statements like if-else and loops. So here is the example of relational operators: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equals to. Let's see few examples of relational operator. I'll comment print lines. Okay, so relational operators. So we'll take boolean output equals to 10 equal to 10. Ideally we should not do like this. We should store in a value variable and we should write here some variable name. Let's say a equals to b. Let's define variable int a equals to 9 comma b equals to 9. Okay, we can use this as a condition in if and else block, but for just for understanding we are doing like this for now. So a equals to b. So what it will do here, operator is double equal to, that means it will check the equality of a and b. A and b are what? A and b are operands. So here we have initialized a equals to 9 and b equals to 9. So this condition will get true and will get result output as true. Let's verify output. Let's run the program. So in output we are getting true. So likewise we have different relational operator like not equals to and greater than, less than, greater than, equals to, less than, equals to. So these are relational operators. Mostly we use it in if else and loops, conditional statements. In the later videos we'll see much in detail. Let's move on to next operator, and that is logical operators. Logical operators are used when working with multiple conditions. The AND operator requires all conditions to be true. The OR operator, here we can see OR operator, 2 pipe symbol is there, center. The OR operator requires at least one condition to be true. And the last, NOT operator reverse the result. How it will reverse? If it is true, it will make it as a false, and vice versa. Now let's see one example for logical operators. Here I will comment the print line. So let's say int age is greater than int age equals to 19, and we are providing one condition boolean output 1 equals to age greater than 18 and let's say we'll define one more variable, string citizen equals to, let's say, some random value xyz. So here we are checking condition citizen string. Let's simple this thing for now, because for string we use built-in methods, so we'll learn these built-in methods later. That's why I'm taking another example, boolean citizen equals to, let's say, for example, true, and citizen equal to true. Let's say the output 1. So here in line 38 it will check the first condition whether age is greater than 18 or not. So since we have provided age is 19, so first condition will be true, and here we have used and operator, that is logical and. So logical and means if first condition is true, then only it will check the second condition. So criteria of AND operator is both conditions should be true, then only it will return true. So first it will check first condition. If it is true, then only it will check the second condition. And suppose if first condition itself is false, then it will not go for second condition. Why? Because AND operator needs both conditions to be true, then only it will store true in output 1. So here both conditions are true, it will return true. So let's run the program. So here we can see the output as true. Let's move on. Increment and decrement operators. Increment increases a value by 1, while decrement decreases value by 1. These are the increment and decrement operators. So let's say, for example, int count equals to 4, and we are doing count plus count. So here it will do count equals to count plus 1. So we can say it is a shortcut of writing count equal to count plus 1. That is increment operator. We call it as unary operator also, because it works with single operand. Let's check the value of count. We should have value as 5. Let's run the program. So in the output we can see it, the value of count as 5. Likewise, we can check for decrement operator. For that we'll use minus minus. Okay. We'll move next. So far we have learned arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and unary operators, that is increment or decrement operators. So in this video we learned what operators are and why they are important in Java. We also explored the different categories of operators available in Java. So in the upcoming videos we will study each operator type in detail with practical coding examples. So that's all for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the introduction to operators topic. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.